Today, we're diving into pure American muscle, a car that doesn't just carry a legacy, it defines it. This is the 2026 Ford Mustang GT. The moment you lay eyes on it, you already know this isn't just another sports car. This is history reborn with modern aggression. The front end hits you with a bold, wide grille, flanked by sharp LED headlights that feel like they're staring straight through you. There's an attitude here, a confident, unapologetic, and built to dominate the road. Look closer, and you start to notice the precision. The sculpted hood isn't just for show, it channels airflow, helping with cooling and performance. The aggressive rear vents, the sharp body lines, the lowered stance, everything has been engineered with intent. This car is designed to perform even before it moves. Move to the side, and that iconic Mustang silhouette immediately commands attention. The long hood, the short rear deck, a design language that has defined generations. But in the 2026 version, it feels tighter, sharper, and more aerodynamic. The body looks more planted, more ready, more alive. The wheels sit perfectly within the arches, giving the car a muscular, grounded stance. You can almost feel the grip just by looking at it. And whether it's parked under city lights or rolling down the highway, the car carries an energy that's impossible to ignore. At the rear, the identity becomes even stronger. The signature tri-bar LED taillights glow with unmistakable character. The quad exhaust tips hint at the beast within, while the rear diffuser and spoiler add both style and aerodynamic stability. Every inch of this car speaks performance, but design is just the introduction. The real story begins when you press the start button. The engine roars to life with a deep, thunderous sound, the kind of sound that instantly grabs your attention and refuses to let go. This isn't artificial. This isn't engineered noise through speakers. This is real V8 power announcing itself. The 2026 Ford Mustang GT is expected to feature a naturally aspirated 5.0-liter Coyote V8 engine, a dying breed in today's turbocharged world. And that alone makes it special. Press the accelerator, and the response is immediate and aggressive. The car doesn't ease into speed, it attacks it. Power builds rapidly, pushing you back into your seat as the engine climbs through the rev range with a raw, mechanical intensity. And the sound of broken bar, it evolves as you accelerate, from a deep rumble at low RPMs to a screaming roar at higher revs. It creates an emotional connection that very few modern cars can replicate. But what truly sets this Mustang apart is how intelligently it manages all that power. The chassis is more refined than ever. The suspension system has been tuned to balance comfort and performance, allowing the car to handle daily roads just as well as it handles aggressive driving. Take it into a corner, and the car stays composed. There's grip, there's stability, and most importantly, there's confidence. You feel connected to the road in a way that makes every turn enjoyable. Steering is sharp and responsive. It gives you feedback, real feedback, so you always know what the car is doing. This isn't a disconnected, overly assisted system. It's designed to keep you engaged. And then comes braking performance. Power is nothing without control, and the Mustang GT delivers strong, reliable braking that inspires confidence even at higher speeds. Whether you're slowing down from a fast run or navigating city traffic, the braking feels solid and predictable. Now step inside, and the experience shifts from aggressive to refined. The interior of the 2026 Ford Mustang GT blends classic muscle DNA with modern innovation. You're greeted by a fully digital cockpit that feels futuristic but still driver-focused. The instrument cluster can change based on your driving mode, offering everything from classic gauge layouts to track-focused data displays. It's customizable, responsive, and visually engaging. The center touchscreen is clean and intuitive. Navigation, media, settings, everything is easily accessible without overwhelming the driver. It's modern tech done right. The seats are deeply bolstered, designed to hold you in place during aggressive driving, but they're also comfortable enough for long journeys. It's a balance that makes this car usable every day. Materials inside the cabin feel premium. Soft touch surfaces, detailed stitching, and a layout that puts the driver at the center of everything. It's clear that this isn't just about performance, it's about experience. And then there are the driving modes. This is where the personality of the car truly transforms. In normal mode, The Mustang GT is surprisingly calm, the ride is smooth, the throttle response is relaxed, and the exhaust tone is controlled. It becomes a car you can live with every day. Switch to sport mode, and everything sharpens. Throttle response becomes quicker, steering tightens, and the exhaust becomes more aggressive. The car feels more alert, more ready, and when you activate track mode broken bar, everything changes. This is where the car unleashes its full character. Maximum performance, louder exhaust, sharper handling. This is the Mustang at its most intense. The active exhaust system deserves its own spotlight. It allows you to control how loud the car gets, from quiet early morning starts to full throttle aggression. The choice is yours. Technology also plays a big role in enhancing the driving experience. You get advanced traction control systems, launch control for perfect acceleration, and performance tracking features that allow you to monitor your driving in real time. It's like having a race engineer built into your car. Safety features are also part of the package. The 2026 Ford Mustang GT includes lane keeping assist, adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitoring, and automatic emergency braking. These systems work quietly in the background, ensuring you stay safe without interfering with the thrill of driving. But beyond all the specs, all the features, and all the technology, a broken bar, what truly makes this car special is how it makes you feel. This isn't just a machine, it's an emotion. Every time you start it, there's excitement. Every time you accelerate, there's adrenaline. Every time you hear that exhaust, there's satisfaction. Even after long drives, you don't just remember the destination, you remember the journey. There's also a deep sense of heritage here. The Mustang name carries decades of performance history. It's a symbol of freedom, power, and individuality, and the 2026 model respects that legacy while pushing forward into the future. It proves that even in a world moving towards electrification, there's still a place for raw, naturally aspirated performance. It proves that driving can still be emotional. It proves that cars can still have character. The 2026 Ford Mustang GT is not built for everyone. It's built for those who want to feel something when they drive, for those who want their car to have a personality, for those who want more than just transportation. Because at the end of the day, broken bar, this isn't about getting from point A to point B. This is about everything that happens in between: the sound, the power, the connection. And in this broken bar, every moment feels intense, every second feels alive, and every drive feels unforgettable.